Hey, hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Education Mantra. Welcome back again, guys. Today we'll discuss top MCQs on Chapter 14 Science Class 8 Chemical Effects of Electric Currents. New to the channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification. And if you find our video informative, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe our channel. Let's begin. Which of the following conducts electricity? Copper, plastic, cotton, or is it D, brick? Where is the question? Correct answer is A, copper. Copper is the only one from these four that conducts electricity. Okay. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called, okay, electrodes, electroplating, both or none. Very easy question, important question also. So the correct answer is electroplating. An electric current can produce which type of effect or effects? Chemical effect, heating effect, magnetic effect, or is it D, all of these? Yes, chemic yes, an electric current can produce a chemical effect. Yes, it can produce heating effect. Yes, it can produce magnetic effect. So the correct answer will be all of these. Let's check. Yes. Pure or distilled water. Sorry, it's written wrong here. Let me correct it. It's not or, it's or. Okay. Pure or distilled water is free of salts and is what type of conductor? Poor conductor, good conductor, or is it both A and B, or is it D, none of these? So pure or distilled water is free of salts. So salts are the only one that help a water to be a good conductor. So good conductor is not there. So the correct answer is poor conductor. Yes. It has shiny appearance and does not corrode. So the word corrode means that it does not a metal that does not get rust or it does not get burnt. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is chromium. Which metal is used in bridges and automobiles to provide strength? Very easy question and very important also for this chapter. So the correct answer is iron. We all know that bridges are and automobiles are made up of iron so that they do not get rust. Okay. Why the tin cans which are used for storing food made by electroplating tin onto iron? Tin gives a shiny appearance. To make the vessel cheap, tin is very reactive than iron. To make the vessel lighter. These were the options. So the correct answer is C. Tin is less reactive than iron. In an LED, longer lead is connected to the dash terminal of the battery. Positive, negative, both or none. So the correct answer is positive. So an LED light is like this. I'll draw here. This is the shorter one and this is the longer one. It is having a type of bulb here. Okay. And this one is the longer lead, that is positive one, and this is the negative one. Okay. Remember, it's you can easily relate it with its diagram only. Okay. Most liquids that conduct electricity are the solutions of acids, bases, salts, or all of these. It's all of these. Why an electric lamp glows? Due to magnetic effect of electric current, due to chemical effect of electric current, due to heating effect of electric current, or all of the above. So it's C, due to heating effect of electric current. Materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them easily are good conductor of electricity, poor conductor of electricity, both or none. First of all, I will tell you that these questions have been taken from your NCERT books. So you can revise these questions also and read your NCERT books thoroughly. Okay. So let's move on to the question. And the correct answer is poor conductor of electricity. It's written that materials which do not. Okay. So a good conductor is the one that allows. Okay. Flow of electrons is called electric current. Electrodes, electroplating, electrolyte, or the D, electric current. So the correct answer is electric current. Remember, very important because the title name is based on this only. Car parts and bicycle handlebars are electroplated with chromium. The chromium is a metal that is electroplated on iron so that it does not get rust. What is used to find the effect of small electric? Okay, we have to tell that it is a device that is out of these four options that helps us to find small electric current. Like an electric current is flowing, then we have to tell that which of these will help us. So the correct answer is magnetic needle. Which of the following is not a non-electrolyte? Urea, sodium chloride, alcohol, or ZD? None. So the correct answer is sodium chloride, our salt that we eat and that we eat in our take in our daily life. That is NaCl. NaCl is sodium chloride. Okay. So thank you friends for watching this video. These were the top MCQs from your chapter. It's a very simple and easy chapter. Read your books thoroughly and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.